Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We got heavy rains overnight in Chicago, localized flooding. Big rains in Iowa, northern Illinois. Overnight, more rain as the system is stretching now from Michigan all the way down to Texas. Localized flooding, and we'll continue to see delays in field work in the areas that are getting the most heavy rains. Overnight, nearby beans are higher. Continues to be concerned about Argentina satisfying its nearby meal demand, and that there could be some demand shift to the United States at a time when our old crop stocks are very tight. You're seeing basis levels at the Gulf trading at record high levels. Also, crushers domestically are also pushing for beans, and just feels like there's not a lot of beans there. In the corn market, sharply unchanged. Nearby corn down a little, new crop up a little bit. Corn basis is almost the exact opposite. In the east, the basis is falling. At the export channels, basis is falling. And out west, though, they remain firm as farmers are not selling. So in the livestock and ethanol areas, basis continues to be firm. Over in the wheat, just up a little bit. Yesterday, we were firmer, looking for the potential of some weather problems here in the United States, and also some concerns about maybe some increased demand from China for U.S. soft red winter wheat. We're expecting to get export sales today somewhere around maybe 350,000 tons of corn, maybe a little bit higher in the wheat, maybe a little bit higher in the beans, but the market's going to be looking to see if there was any bean sales last week that might add to the problem, and if China actually did buy some additional soft red winter wheat. Outside markets, you're seeing a little bit of bottom picking in the stock market. You're seeing a little bit of short covering in the metals. The dollar's a little bit lower, crude's a little bit higher, so we're trying to kind of recover from the sell-off that we've seen over the last week or 10 days. Continued concern about Boston, overnight explosion in Waco. There are just things going around here right now that begins to jitter the average speculators. That could cause a little bit more long liquidation or short covering in the markets. People even up with all this bad news. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That's his favorite place. She was at the football game last night.